She loves me. She loves me. No. She loves me. She loves me. No. You see, my mother does not love me. And of course not. She wants to wear bright dresses, and here I am, 25 years of age, a constant reminder that she is no longer young. When I'm not there, she's 34, and when I am, she's 45, and for that she hates me for it. Besides, she knows I don't accept the theatre. She loves the theatre. She thinks she's serving humanity in the sacred cause of art. When in my opinion, I find the theatre today hidebound and conventional. When the curtain goes up, and in these three walls, with these artificial lighting, these great geniuses, these priests of holy art show me how people eat and love, walk about and wear their jackets. For in these banal scenes and phrases, they try to fish out a moral, some little moral that is easily grasped and suitable for domestic use, when in 1,000 variations I am fed the same thing over and over again. And then I'd flee. Like Maupassant fled from the Eiffel Tower. And that left his brain reeling with vulgarity.